In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track event-specific conversions for LinkedIn ads with Google Tag Manager. We'll start inside LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Head to Analyze, then Conversion Tracking, and create a new conversion by choosing Online Conversion. Give it a clear name like Start Your Free Trial Event. Choose the matching conversion action such as Start Trial and set a conversion value. If you're unsure, use a placeholder amount. You can always refine it later. For attribution, use a 90-day click-through window, a 30-day view-through window, and the last touch model, which credits the most recent interaction. Click Next. You can assign specific campaigns afterward. Next, tell LinkedIn you'll use Google Tag Manager as the source. In the Sources section, select Use a Tag Manager and copy your partner ID, also called the Insight Tag ID. You'll need this in Tag Manager. Now make sure Google Tag Manager is installed on your website. In Google Tag Manager, go to Admin, then install Google Tag Manager, and copy the snippets for the head and the body. Add these to your site. If you're on WordPress, a header and footer injection plugin makes this easy. Save your site changes, then in Tag Manager, submit and publish your workspace so the container is live. Add the LinkedIn Insight tag globally. Create a new tag. Choose LinkedIn Insight Tag 2.0, paste your partner ID, and set the trigger to all pages. Name it something clear like LinkedIn Insight Tag, then save, submit, and publish. This powers LinkedIn tracking across your site. Before tracking a button click, enable the click text variable. In variables, click Configure and turn on click text under built-in variables so Tag Manager can read the button label. Back in LinkedIn Campaign Manager, copy your conversion ID along with the partner ID. You'll use both in the event tag. Create an event-specific conversion tag in Tag Manager. Add a new tag, select LinkedIn Insight Tag 2.0, and enter the partner ID and the conversion ID. Name it clearly, such as LinkedIn Event Conversion. Attach a trigger that fires on the button click. Create a new click trigger for all elements. Choose Fire on some clicks, and set the condition so click text contains Start Your Free Trial. Save the trigger, save the tag, then submit and publish your container so everything goes live. Finally, return to LinkedIn Campaign Manager, click Create Conversion to finalize, and your conversion will begin tracking once that button is clicked. Important tip: the click text must match exactly. Any variation will prevent the tag from firing. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.